Hey, I'm Alex Klemenchuk, and for the past few weeks I've been working on finalizing my NYC code coverage plugin and adding the manual run and retry feature to status updates and ReviewBot. First, I've added basic documentation to ReviewBot for my NYC tool, and it explains how to configure NYC to run on your particular configuration and your repository. I've also removed the hard dependency on npm for my NYC code coverage tool. This is done through the addition of a few configuration sections over here. First, you list the install steps, what you would need to run after freshly checking out your repository. Then you list your test command. This runs your test suite. In addition, I've added a configuration section where you can configure how NYC works. So, for example, if you wanted to ignore particular files in your repository. So for a last bit of polish to my NYC code coverage tool, I've added a little bit of formatting changes that make it easier for you to understand what happened. I show the thresholds that you haven't met, and I've added some nice formatting to the title. So that's it for NYC. However, I'm going to use this plugin to demonstrate the next feature that I've added. Let's say that you have a really expensive plugin that you only want to run when you tell it to run. Normally, these plugins would run automatically every single time you post an update to a review request, but this checkbox makes it so that you have to press a button to run these tools. So to demonstrate this new feature, I'm going to post up the same review request that I did before. And as you can see, the tool is waiting to run. If I hit this run button, it does the same thing that it did before, except it waits for me to press that button. Let's say that a user had forgotten to install a tool dependency and posted a new review request. They would get an internal error because of the missing tool. They would have no way to rerun the tool on the same review request. To fix this, in addition to when tools time out, I've added a retry button so that after the errors are fixed, you can retry the tool in the same code. In this case, all that needs to be fixed is the NYC dependency needs to be installed.